Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to install these LED turn signals from Motogadget. They're actually bar-in signals, but I don't think I'm going to use them like that. It sounds cool and all, but it's just not the look I'm going for. First I'm going to open up the headlight so I can disconnect the turn signals. Go ahead and disconnect the main headlight connection and the pilot light connection too. To disconnect the turn signals, this white connection is your right signal and the black connection is your left signal. To get these connections loose, you can use a small screwdriver, put it up in this slot, and pull backwards on it, and it'll come down. There's a nut on the back side of the turn signal, and you can use a size 18 wrench to get it off. Be sure to pull the turn signal wire through the housing before you actually take the turn signal off. Once you get the nut all the way loose, go ahead and slide it over the wire connector at the end, and then you can just pull on the turn signal and it'll come right out. Now you just do the same thing to the other side. The wire that comes on the new turn signal is really thin, so I've put some heat shrink at the end of it just to give it some protection. To mount the new turn signals, there's a washer and a nut on the back, just like the stock signals. I went ahead and soldered the stock wire connectors to the new turn signals, and then I wrapped it all in heat shrink. Make sure the white connector is connected to the right turn signal and the black connector is connected to the left turn signal. I'm going to remount the headlight and then we'll turn it on and see what happens. Well, that's all I've got for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead, click subscribe, and stay up to date with my latest videos. Well, thanks again, and have a wonderful day.